Hello, my name is Vinay. I have completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in 2025. After finishing my graduation, I joined Evision training, where it was almost 3 months of training, where they learned about network, CCNA, Windows administration, Windows Server, and ITI, ITLI, and ITSM concepts, which means to get a job, as they given me as a desktop support training. While this training, the trainers was demonstrated with 100% expertise, where they was giving it where was they were explaining clear concept and a real world scenario, which makes me to learn quick and get thoroughly the concept every day. From this training, I have achieved my job in Dev IT Software Private Limited as a desktop support engineer. While while in the placement team, the placement helped me a lot. They were with me at every step of my placement. No, and as a HR also helped me in every scenario, and also if any issues they were being at a time or resolved at a time. I am thankful for the Vision Technolab training, where today I have achieved as a desktop support engineer at Dev